Not all phone cases are created equal, especially for your Galaxy Z Trifold. Ready to discover which one belongs on your device? The elegance case with rotating ring is a real game-changer for Galaxy Z Trifold users searching for both function and flair. Right out of the box, this case stands out with a clever ring on the back, perfect for those moments when you need extra grip or want to prop your phone up during a call or movie. Constructed from robust materials, the elegance case delivers sturdy protection without making your device feel bulky. The rotating ring is surprisingly smooth, and the case fits tightly, ensuring every edge of your phone is shielded from daily knocks. As soon as I snapped on the kickstand compatible with full cover leather, my Galaxy Z Trifold instantly felt elevated, almost luxurious. The genuine leather exterior not only looks sophisticated, but feels amazing in hand, bringing a touch of elegance to every interaction with your phone. The standout feature here is the built-in kickstand, which blends seamlessly into the case. It makes watching videos or handling hands-free calls a breeze, and I found the stand stable even on slippery surfaces. Right when I tried the Coolmere leather cover with holder, I was surprised at how sleek and soft it felt in my hands. The premium leather surface brings a combination of protection and elegance that's hard to match, making it ideal for workdays and evenings alike. One thing I found especially useful is the integrated holder on the back. It's subtle but solid, providing a secure way to grip your trifold or prop it up when needed. All the cutouts line up perfectly, and installation couldn't be any easier. If you love showing off your Galaxy Z Trifold's unique style, the Coolmere clear phone case with tempered glass could be exactly what you're searching for. Slipping this on, you keep your device's design visible, but with an added layer of defense you can trust. The transparency of this case is truly impressive. It doesn't yellow easily, preserving the clean, fresh look. The star of the show is definitely the included tempered glass screen protector. It's crystal clear and fits the front perfectly, warding off scratches and smudges. The Coolmere gray folding phone case with camera protector brings a bold twist to safeguarding your Galaxy Z Trifold. I noticed right away the smooth gray finish looks modern and feels secure in hand, making it a joy to carry around. A standout feature is the built-in camera protector, which slides with ease and adds an extra layer of confidence. No more worrying about scratches or smudges when your phone's tucked in a bag or pocket. The folding design makes accessing every part of your phone simple and intuitive. The elegance black case with built-in screen protector instantly impressed me with its solid construction and snug fit. It transforms the Galaxy Z Trifold into a robust, adventure-ready device without losing its sleek edge. This case is all about all-around protection. The built-in screen protector shields the display from scratches and accidental touches, while the rest of the case absorbs bumps with ease. The finish feels pleasantly matte, and holding it, you sense an extra layer of security throughout your day. Trying out the elegance case with foldable stand, my Galaxy Z Trifold instantly felt more versatile. This case ups the convenience factor with a thoughtfully integrated stand, unlocking hands-free viewing at just the right angles for work, calls, or streaming your favorite series. What immediately stood out to me is the quality of the foldable stand. It clicks into position smoothly, holds steady, and tucks away almost invisibly when not in use. The case surrounds the device in a layer of sturdy protection while keeping it sleek and stylish.